box looks pretty much bang on what we saw with the S9 Plus. Same rough dimensions, even the same fonts all the way through. And you just slip off the top and then we've got the interior, and this box feels really solid, it's really well designed, it's even got a subtle matte finish on it. The phone is on top, we're going to come straight back to this in a second, but first of all, pretty much the standard stuff inside the box. This quick start guide is from a past clone phone, and this charger is probably, hopefully going to be revamped in the actual S10. I'm definitely hoping for fast charging speeds. It's an area where Samsung's phones aren't exactly on par. Got a pair of earphones and then a standard USB Type-C charging cable. Okay, onto the phone itself, and as with most clone phones, it's thicker and heavier than the actual phone will end up being, not quite as slick or refined, but there are a few interesting takeaways we can have from this. We've got almost stainless steel looking edges, kind of like what we've seen on the iPhone XS. I really like that, I think that looks pretty premium.